Hello everyone! So welcome here in the city of Trivandrum, Tura na pura ganun. So ang napahaba ng pangalan ng capital city ng state of Kerala. So we are now having our city tour. Kita nyo naman, ayan. So we are in a double-decker bus. Open yung taas niya. So umuulan, na-book namin. So wala kaming choice, kundi dapat nandito kami. So hapon na talaga siya. Ito, double-decker yung bus na sinakyan namin. And ayun, ipapakita namin yung buong city na madadaanan namin. Ayan, yun lang. Bye-bye! Pasok muna tayo kasi.
Dito na lang ako.
Meron pala dito.
Eh, may bubong pala, sir. Ha? Hindi nila alam. Ano?
What I like about this city is, you know, it's very green. Like almost major roads, you know, has these grown trees and everything, and it's very green. It's fresh like now. Maybe I can feel it because this is now start of monsoon season, and it is like this. But basically, you know, as you can see, these main roads, everything is full of trees like that. So now rain is start to, you know, and
Water for the snacks. Snacks like see that one. That's the boss. Snacks and water. 10 rupees available.
yeah, later we will go. Chai, you have? Chai, you have?
No.
We want hot.
I know, you know, you are hot.
We want hot.
My boss is always hot. Offices cottage.
This one.
Reserve Bank means Indian money printing office. Reserve Bank. For Reserve Bank, offices cottage.
This one.
Too much area, back too much area.
Magsansana na tayo. Kanina pa yung sansana natin, hindi pa talaga na. Ang ganda dito, no? Ang ano siya, kanina ko pa siya inaano ba? Ano siya na city? Yung green siya, green city siya. Oo. Hindi siya yung tipong
Bilig na.
oo, yung gano'n.